Goddamn! Hank, bro. You trying to kill me. She trying to kill me! You a girl! Oh! Nigga! Bro!
Earlier.
What is, nigga? I ain't been home. This shit stink. She stink! So she trying to kill me!
Cash Money Records bringing over from the 99 to the 2000. Cash with a K.
Decent. I need to go get a haircut. Need to hit up my boy Q Cuts. My barber out of town.
I need to go to a barber too. My barber. I ain't hit my barber in a long time.
Fuck you mean you ain't got a motherfucking barber?
What makes you think I ain't no barber?
Oh hell no. It's a dude.
Y'all see, both of us need our hair done. We just been looking trifling.
Tight.
Something wrong with you.
Oh shit, I'm finna go. Yeah, something wrong with me. I almost went.
Yeah, he almost ran the light, y'all.
I'm hungry, bro.
Me too. What you wanna eat?
Some what you thought I was gonna say? Say something smart.
So smart.
Honestly, you know how to listen. You know who the boss. Big dog.
Okay, so what you wanna eat for real?
I don't know. I don't know, bro. Yeah.
You see a lady in the leg?
No.
Don't she look like your sister?
My sister. Fuck you mean, my sister. Bro, what the fuck, bro? You stink, bro. Stinking ass nigga. What the fuck? Bro, hey man, bro, what? Bro, you shit on yourself? Oh, what?
I'm sorry. It was some eggs we had earlier.
What eggs, nigga? I ain't been home. This shit stink.
Oh, sorry. Wrong nigga.
Huh? That's it, bro. What the fuck you ate? That shit not funny. This shit stink. Bro. How the fuck you a girl? How the fuck you stink up the whole car?
Oh, I'm a human.
Bro, I don't care, bro. You stinking up the whole fucking car. Goddamn. Bro.
You know the church that come as you
I need fuck that. I need some Febreze. This shit stink. Why the hell you ain't tell me?
Tell you what?
You had the shit on yourself.
I ain't do nothing.
Bro, this shit stink, bro. Ain't no way. Ain't no way.
Okay, bro. So you just, what you trying to say? You saying I stink?
Bro, you shitted on yourself. You know you fucking stink.
I don't smell nothing.
I smell a lot. Bro, what the fuck was that?
Perfume.
Bro, just spray some more, bro. You need that shit.
Spray some more?
Hell yeah.
Hold the window up. It got that
bro.
smell got to lock in.
I can't, bro. This shit fucking stink. There's no way in hell.
The smell got to lock in.
Lock in, twin? No, bro. This shit stink. I can't. This shit can't lock in. You trying to kill, bro?
That's it.
Bro.
Smell it.
Bro.
Smell it.
Shit right.
See,
Okay.
you gotta close the windows.
Bro, I can't, bro.
The
You
smell gotta
stink,
lock
bro.
in.
Bro, you can't, bro.
The smell gotta lock in.
I can't, bro. That shit. What?
Please
Bruh.
close the window. Close the window. The smell gotta lock in.
Hold on.
How you turn this off?
You did the shit, dude.
No, I didn't. I ain't touched nothing.
See the day at home.
Okay, I couldn't properly do an intro, but yeah, we getting this thing on the first spray paint, and we about to go get the car wash. So I'm gonna really do it like when we get to the car wash, but it's just like a little sample of him. You know what I'm saying? It's like a sample. I look dusty, but this little vlog / prank. You get what I'm saying? He almost seen the spray, but like he ain't see the logo. He just seen this, so it looked like perfume. But Yeah, you already know who it is. It's your girl Kaylin Wetland, but also known as Cash Money Records, bringing over 992,000 cash for the K. How you doing? How you doing? Okay, he's coming back. He's coming back. I'm gonna spray it like 5 times. Ooh, it's got on my hand.
Telling my whole life. It, bro. What the fuck, bro? Bro, oh, get your ass out, bro. Get the fuck out, bro. You stink, bro. You shit it, bro. Shit with, hey, she just took a shit.
Get in the car.
Fuck no, bro. You stink, bro.
Let me make sure nothing in my purse.
Hey, bro. She just shit it, bro.
Get in the car.
Bro,
We gotta wash the car.
bro.
Stop being a big baby. People fart.
Bro, that's more. Bro, you shit it, bro.
My face
You
looks
did more than just fart, bro.
Get in the car.
Bro, you stink, bro. Oh my goodness. Bro, what you ate? A dog? The fuck? Fuck's so funny, bro.
Because like you
It
being
cooled
such
down
a
a
big,
little bit.
you being such a
I
big
swear, I would've fucked
baby
my sister
because
in.
you being a big baby because like everybody fart, bro.
Boy, you smell worse than me. And I be out there. No, that shit. You stink. Fuck you looking at, bitch ass nigga. Shit, who the ass girl?
I sprayed it on my boot. I need to be careful with this. This is atomic. It's atomic bomb. That crap, that shit stank.
This nigga keep staring at it, bro. Bro.
I'm
Bro.
hungry.
You hungry? You can't eat no more. You can't fucking eat no more. You fucking stink. You can't.
Maybe it's you, cause I don't.
No,
smell
hell no. It ain't me. I know
don't
in
smell
there.
I don't smell nothing.
This shit stink. Your ass stink. Stinking booty ass girl. What the fuck? Who the fuck? Bruh. What the fuck you ate?
Put that seatbelt on.
Damn, what? Smell like them goddamn. When them people come to pick up the trash. Smell like goddamn one of them truck motherfuckers.
Oh dang.
Bruh, I'm just being real. You want me to lie to you?
My thing is, I just took a shower. You want me?
No way in hell. It shouldn't smell like that if you just took a shower. No way in hell. You just, fuck no. Oh my, oh. Nigga you want me to cry something? Bro.
You overreacting.
No, the hell I'm not, bro. You stink.
I do not smell nothing.
Bro, fuck that. You stink. I'm gonna kick your stinking ass out my car.
Better watch that car.
You better watch that fart.
I ain't even farting.
Nigga, then what's that smell? Your hair?
My hair?
I don't know. Shit. What?
My hair smell. I don't even smell nothing.
What the fuck wrong with your nose? How you don't smell nothing?
I smell the trees.
Girl, you need to wash your pussy.
How you smell a tree? How you smell
I smell nature.
You don't smell no nature. You smell you. And your shit.
Alright, just get off of me, bro. Get off of
You ain't
me.
getting off that shit ass. I'm off that shit ass booty. Yeah, shit. It's like a trash can. Nasty ass girl. It's going away now, so it's cool.
Okay, then leave me alone.
Nah,
The
you
area-
still stink,
We
though.
probably passed by a sewer. talking
Yeah, I
about that?
passed you. That's what I passed. You the sewer.
Anyway,
Anyway.
I'm looking at my grandma with that forehead.
You got a big ass forehead.
Are we almost there?
Yeah, we almost there. I need to go get the oil chain. Damn, bro. I need an oil chain, bro. Hey, she stink, bro. They look like, what the fuck wrong with these niggas? Yes, it's necessary, because your ass stink, gang. Real shit. You ain't never smelled that bad. You usually smell like flowers and bubblegum. Now your ass smell like a fat nigga on a Friday. Sweaty balls. A fat nigga at the basketball practice. I'm just saying. Or a skinny nigga after he got done clapping a fat bitch. Stinking. All that meat.
Yield.
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 What you mean, yield?
Look at the cars.
I am, nigga. Bro. Oh, hell no, I can't, bro. You trying to kill me. She trying to kill me!
Stop before you get pulled over with that.
She trying to kill me!
Stop before you send me to jail.
Bro, you stink.
I'd rather you yell she stink than she trying to kill me.
She stink, so she trying to kill me.
Stop!
You stink, bro.
Roll the window up, it's cold.
What the fuck?
Why you ain't got no jacket on?
It's not even cold outside. What are you talking about? I can see if it was like...
Look, she laughing.
She stink! She trying not to look at me.
Oh my God!
Look, she trying not to look at me.
You funny for that.
No, bro, you stink for that. Stink for that. Shit for that. Guilty. Supply. I think, I think it just got in my mouth. What the fuck? I had a big thing of stinging shit in my mouth, bro. What the fuck, bro? Well, yo, what kind of fart is that? Your shit, man. Okay, put up these folks. Hey, she stink. She started speeding up. Your ass do stink, right? I gotta let folks know, but fuck no.
Are you gonna get a refund off me?
Refund. I'm gonna sell your ass for like $1.
So we going in the car wash first, right?
Yeah. They ain't not gonna let us, do that shit without going to the car wash first, which is a smart thing. Cause sometimes I used to come in here and just zip that motherfucker. You feel me? Look, that nigga ain't be watching. Hey, when these fuck niggas didn't pay.
He here every time.
Yeah, cause he the manager. He like, when these fuck niggas didn't pay, get what? They ain't got them, can't use that shit. Hand your time at.
They gonna smell it.
I just want to know what, the 5th, I think, what is it?
17.
Y'all go every time, don't ya?
Only thing we did was take away the 10 and put a 12.
Oh, well, let me get
That's
10.
still one
let me get 12. Hey, man, she stank, bro.
Shut up.
Oh, you played too much.
I'm dead serious.
Some about a dog or something in the unlock.
It's okay.
I know he keep you rolling now.
Uh-huh.
Next time I'm gonna redo my membership.
Look, man, I don't know what you waiting on, man. About to be policy and shit about to go crazy. Don't do it for the price go up.
Yeah, I'm gonna do it soon. I just be broke.
Man, whatever. I ain't gonna hit that.
She stank, bro. Real shit.
Oh my God.
What you do, bro? No, nigga. Fuck this shit. Fuck me.
Shut up before I hit you.
Shit, you already hit me with some gas. That stinking ass shit.
Anyway, I want some Popeyes.
Bro, you don't deserve no Popeye with that booty.
Or Chipotle.
You don't deserve
Chipotle
Chipotle with that booty either. You shouldn't get neither one.
Oh, you gonna tell him I stink too?
Shit, if he let me. You know, they always tell you to keep the windows up. I'm gonna tell him you stink, bro. I'm sorry. I gotta let everybody know. Hey, she stank, bro. She stank. She stank. He look like, what the fuck you talking about?
You know the niggas gonna laugh.
He like, what happened? He like, huh? What? Don't last. Bro, you trying to make me throw up, bro. Bro, you got oh. Oh! 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 You trying to kill me, bro? What the fuck? Bro.
What?
I'll take you home. Fuck this. Move! Move! Nigga! Bro! I can't damn breathe!
Go back in your shirt then.
Fuck no. Bro, my church smell like laundry detergent. Bro. Let's stop, bro. Stop. Bro! 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 I can't breathe. I'm in the damn car.
You gotta watch the car.
Man, shut up!
Who you yelling at? You gotta watch the
Shut
car.
up!
Keep out.
Hey,
Make
no!
sure you get out of neutral.
Shut up! God damn! This shit fucking stink, bro. Hey, bro. Uh-oh, fuck no. Oh,
Alright, we at the end. We at the end.
bro, I don't care, bro. This shit stink. Bro. 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 Oh. Bro. Fuck no, bro. What crawled in your ass and came out? You got a doodle monster.
Doodle monster was crazy.
Bro.
Anyway, we gonna get some food?
No, bro. You going home, bro. I can't.